It's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: Bluetooth streaming audio, smart entry key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power with tilt-down heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Every Honda's designed with the driver in mind. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
For the best dealership experience of your life, come to Serra Honda, Grandville. We're easy to find, just 1 mile west of the Rivertown Crossings Mall in Grandville.